Hello guys, and welcome to this video of CoinDashboard. My name is Antoine Aymar, and I'm the CEO and founder of Viction, the company that created the CoinDashboard, the app, mobile app, mobile sentiment indicator app for the crypto market for now. So I'm going to introduce you a bit. I'm going to do an overview of the app, its functionalities, what is this about, why it could be interesting for you if you're in the crypto market, and the time gains that will bring this app for you. Okay. So first of all, we are using some machine learning technology. What you see here on the screen, if you are new to the markets and new to crypto, it won't ring a bell much. But if you are, you've been a while in it, fear and greed indicator, well, it hasn't been developed by us, but we integrate it in our app because it's something that a lot of traders love. And we started with the system of the Gauge system, and we used the machine learning technology to go dig on every social media, the polarity and the sentiment that is going on. So, for example, the first after the fear and greed, which is only available for Bitcoin, by the way, we got the influencer tweets. So we got a list of influencers, like major influencers, like as you know, like Michael Saylor, Elon Musk, and many others that we review and we update on a daily basis. That are market movers. So when they tweet something, usually on the coin, something is gonna happen in the next few hours or next few days. So basically, here you can see it's 38% positive, 46%, 46.58% neutral, and 15% negative. So usually if this indicator goes into the green, it's a pretty good sign, like the market is going to go up. And if it goes into the red, obviously it's a sign that it's going to go down. Same thing for the Reddit. Reddit, look, as you can see, it's 50% positive, 50% neutral. We've been, the machine learning algorithm is scouting all the Reddit comments, and it's giving like the polarity depending on the comments in the Reddit. So it's positive, neutral. We did the same thing for the news, like general news, like mainstream media, to have like the polarity on what is going on in the mainstream media. So as you can see, it's positive, neutral, a bit negative. It's a mixed sentiments. Actually, it's if you look at right now the overview, it's a bit what's going on in the market. It's mixed sentiments. You have the bulls that want to go bull and the bears that want to go bear. It's pretty like sideways market. It's a really sideways market right now, and we are waiting for some market action, like price action. So as you can see, YouTube comments, same thing. We did the same thing for the YouTube comments, and then you got the Viction indicator, which Viction indicator, it's an average. It's an average of all the sentiments that have been collected. And here, if you click here on the small I, you see information next to the gauge. You will get like the comments on what it is actually. So then we got some technical indicators that we collect from different exchanges. So here the whale trade for the Bitcoin, as you can see, for the last 4 hours, it's bullish, 60% bullish. Bullish versus bearish is like the retail. So retail is buying too in the last hour. So yeah, I didn't show you, but you can change like the time frame here, and it will adjust. The RSI for the last hour was pretty neutral. 4 hours too. 12 hours, well, it's pretty neutral. The money flow too. Then you got the momentum and the VWAP. So this is for Bitcoin. And the core of our app is really to use like have the machine learning, get the sentiments, and in the next version of our app we will show the comments that created the polarity, and well, I will give you more details, guys, about this. So then you can choose the different coins. Wait, sometimes that happens. I have this kind of little problem. Wait, hold on a sec. There we go. All right. So yeah, so we collected. We didn't collect all the coins. We collected what we judged were pretty good coins and not shit coins, because there are so many coins out there. Even if with recently the FTT coin and the Serum, I think, well, they're still in there, but we might get rid of them. So here, like, you see FTT. Oh my god. So for each coin, for example, like we go Matic, we collect the data, except the Fear and Greed, which is only available for Bitcoin. As I said, we didn't develop this coin, this indicator, sorry. So we got the influencers, the Reddit, the general news, YouTube comments, and Viction indicator, will trade, bullish, bearish, and so on. For each coin, we have most of these indicators. You can choose whatever coin in there, and you will have this to get really a grip on what's going on in the market. As you can see, like right now, like the central and mana, like there's something positive in the mainstream media. The rest is pretty neutral. I mean, the market is kind of, it's overbought. So you can have like really quickly a glimpse on what's going on in the market. So on the side, we have the news. This is totally free. Only the Gauge needs a premium membership, and all the rest is totally free, like charting and news. Like for each languages, like we have the news. Like right now it's in English, but look, if we go to options, Spanish, español, claro. Si alguien habla español aquí, podría entender todo. So same thing here. BTC. Miedo y codicia. As you can see, yeah, it's for Spanish. So like for hispanohablantes, and you got in French, pour les français. Voilà. As myself. Actualité générale, indicateur, etc., etc. And like I said, for each thing, the news is in the language that you choose. If you choose in Spanish, sources will be in Spanish. In French, it will be French. Same thing for we chose like some influencers in each language. So if you check all the languages, we put it in Russian, Chinese, Arabic, Hebrew, Hindi, Japanese, Turkish, Italian, and German. I think, which is pretty complete. Like for the Arabic and Hebrew speakers, you will see that we changed the layouts because it's from right to left, which worked pretty well. And same thing like for the influencers and the news, all in Arabic. Mostly from I think UAE in Dubai. Alright, let's go back to English. So the other functionality is the alerts. I mean, you can define an alert with a push, depending on what you are interested in. If you want like the influencer tweets for the whatever coin in the list, let's say BSW, for the last 12 hours, you add, it will update the DB, and then once you have something going on in the market, you will get a push. What's also okay? You can a very good functionality that we have implemented. It's like a daily email sentiment. You will get like an email giving you all the sentiments of the market for each coin and for each time frame. You have a tutorial upon launch of the app. Several currencies for now. Now we have Euro, British Pound, and USD, and we're gonna add many more currencies right now. We're working on it. So now we have other themes. We have skins to change a bit the style when you're tired of looking at Bitcoin. You could look at Ethereum. Now let's check ETH, by the way. So this tool is pretty good. It's pretty good. Once I mean, the chart, you always need to go through a chart if you're doing trading and if you're into this kind of business. But like CoinDashboard is really good because it gives you like a side, it's a side bullet, a side weapon, a side tool that you can use to get an edge. Or you like YouTube comments right now on the Ethereum, you can see they're positive. You have like the RSI and money flow are pretty neutral. Everything is pretty neutral actually. So the market is not like really moving at the moment. We're waiting for some price action. So, but in any case, you will see. Just take a look at the app. You have 7 days free to use it around. Look, gold. Let's check out the gold. Let's check out this. We have several skins that we implemented for now. This one is pretty nice too. I like it. And then you got the standard lights or dark, which were the first skins of the app. But I still prefer the Bitcoin one. It's pretty nice. That's sexy. So yeah, guys, so that's about it for now. Like it's just like a small intro. I mean, this is my first video. Usually I don't really do any stream or video, and I want to start introducing my app. I mean, we did some like small ad and we are starting to promote the app. So I will make more videos, especially when the market will be much more interesting, to show like some price action, market action of what's going on. I mean, I also use some tools to check out like the markets, which this one is pretty good actually. So these indicators on TradingView are pretty nice. So I usually use both when I want to trade, and I make some good trades. Not all the time because the trading is really hard, but I still sometimes get an edge with my app, which is pretty good. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up, and I'll talk to you next time.